In today's video, I'm going to teach you command not working after selection and command is not working in AutoCAD. If you are clicking objects and then starting a command, but AutoCAD acts like nothing is selected, you are likely running into a system variable issue. The good news is that it's quick to fix once you know where to look. First, let's restore noun. On the command line, type pick first. Then enter 1 and press enter. With pick first set to 1, AutoCAD will remember your selection and pass it to the next command. So actions like erase, move, or copy will pick up immediately without making you reselect. Next, let's make sure your selection doesn't clear itself when you click something new. If you notice that selecting a new object drops the previous one, adjust the pick add setting. Type pick add. Then enter 2 and press enter. This enables additive selection. So your current selection grows as you click more objects. If you prefer to verify this visually, you can also check it in the Options dialog under the Selection tab. Make sure the option labeled Use Shift to add to selection is unchecked. With this configuration, you add items simply by clicking, and you can remove items by holding Shift if needed. While we're here, it's worth confirming 2 other variables that can affect how selections and prompts behave. Type QA flags and set it to 0. Then press enter. This is a diagnostic flag used internally. Any non-zero value can interfere with normal selection behavior in unexpected ways. Setting it back to 0 restores standard operation. Finally, if you are not seeing prompts or dimensions appear near your cursor while you work, enable dynamic input. Type DYN mode, enter 3, and press enter. This turns on cursor-based prompts and fields, which makes it clearer what AutoCAD expects next and helps you confirm that your selection has been recognized without taking your eyes off the drawing area. After making these changes, try selecting a few objects and running a common command like move or erase. You should see AutoCAD acknowledge your selection instantly and proceed as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.